Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you have been watching any of my vlogs or videos, you know that I am moving. I did a whole organizing video at the beginning of quarantine that you guys absolutely love. It's one of my most popular videos, and ever since I posted that video, I have not kept my stuff organized. Shocker. I've been destroying everything, to be honest. You can see on the screen right now, it is disgusting and desperately needs to be organized. Especially with moving, I'm trying to purge and get rid of things that I don't need. I don't want to be a hoarder anymore. I want to be a little more minimalistic and get rid of things. I'm going to buy a bunch of little organizers for whenever I move into my new house, but for now, I'm going to go through everything that I have, clean it all out. That way, whenever I go to pack, it's just right there and I don't have to worry about getting rid of trash or things that aren't necessary. So I'm going to do this over the course of a couple of days. And today I am tackling the biggest problem in my bedroom, and that is my closet. Here we're like, maybe we can handle it, but don't be fooled. This is embarrassing. Look at all this random crap. That was for a DIY Halloween costumes video I did literally 2 years ago. Don't even get me started on these drawers. We're not even gonna look at it. It's just not it. So, gonna try to tackle all of that. I have all of these clothes that I need to put away. Even down here, like, what? Excuse me, I've been looking for that. All right, let's do it. Okay, I'm going to start with this terrifying drawer set. We need some more light. Much better.
She doesn't text me on the weekend. Don't wanna know what she's up to. Calm down. If I close my eyes and focus on my own mind for a while, then it doesn't matter. This love's all I remember. And if it's only for the night, then that would be alright, yeah. And when you're laying there beside him, I hope you crack a smile and think he's no competition. He's no competition when you're with him. His touch, his kiss, your name on his lips. He's no competition. I'm the one you're missing. Oh, I'm the one you're missing.
Can we please talk about how I live in California in the heat and own this many beanies? What?
Thought that we'd survive this distance. If I close my eyes and think about all of the times that we said, now that I found it, I just can't live without it. And if it's only for the night, then that would be alright, yeah. And when you're laying there beside him, I hope you crack a smile and think he's no competition. He's no competition when you're with him. His touch, his kiss, your name on his lips. He's no competition. I don't know how much longer I can do this. I'm scared to death to lose you, but the truth is, when I'm alone at night.
Alright, the drawers are all organized. I have undergarments, my shorts slash pants that are not denim, and most of these are in the wash, so it's gonna be probably difficult. I'm gonna have to pile this in because it's summer and I've been wearing a lot of shorts. These are all my hats, and then kind of random things. I have my winter gloves back here, and then these 3 little stuffed animals that were my favorite when I was a kid, so I just keep them with me. All my pajamas in here. I didn't really organize this, I kind of just rolled it all up in here. This drawer is full of all my workout clothes. And then in here are all my jeans, and I actually took a lot of these out and got rid of them because I used to be able to wear jeans to school but can't do that anymore, and I just had the same pair of black jeans that I loved, and some of them had stains and just gross things on them. So denim is down here, and that's it for the drawers. Now that is done, but I still have a lot to do. Next, I'm going to go to all of this stuff up here, just folding all that random stuff. This is a letterboard in here. I need to find a place for that. And then after all that's done, I will move over here, figure out this whole situation, take out all the empty hangers, and then I just have random things tucked away, like my camera bag under here, that I want to find little homes for in these shelves. So let's do it.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get get to meet her, you see her walking down the boulevard.
This is looking so much better already. Oh my gosh, what a difference. I have some bags up there, pillows, blankets, and bedding. I moved this thing that has all my swimsuits in it up to here because it was just sitting in my room and I had place for it up here, so why not? And then I moved this down here. It just looks so much more clean and organized up here. All right, I still have a bunch of stuff sitting here. And then over here is stuff that I'm going to get rid of or give away. I'm just gonna go through all of that at the end. But the next thing I'm going to tackle is this. I'm not gonna take all of these out. That's what I did last time I organized my closet and it was kind of a bad idea. It backfired because I had to put everything back in. I think I wanna leave this shelf empty just so there's more room right here, but I'm going to go through all of this stuff and take out things that I want to get rid of or haven't worn in a while and hang up all of this. Anyway, my current method of organization is my long sleeves and tank tops as well as t-shirts are all down here. Actually, this does not belong down here, that belongs up there, but all my jackets and sweaters and hoodies are up here.
You were the laughter early in the morning, down in the kitchen watching TV. You were the music that led me to the...
You guys, it is done. The closet organization is complete. Everything looks... Oh, just kidding. Boop. Okay, now everything is looking good. I used to have 0 free hangers, but now look at all these I have, all the laundry that I have coming through the washer. Well, actually I have hangers. This is all organized. Oh, I'm so happy that's done. All right, over here is everything that I want to put on Poshmark, donate, get rid of, or that just does not belong in the closet. We have a lot of stuff in here. So I'm gonna go through this and separate it into piles. Hello guys, it is a couple days later and I took a major hiatus from my organizing, but I'm back and ready to continue. I no longer have to organize my desk because I sold it. We had a big garage sale and I just kind of took everything out of the desk drawer and put it in my nightstand, making it even more just tragic. It's bad. These drawers really need to be organized, as well as my bathroom. I have not touched that and there's just stuff all over the place. So I'm not even gonna waste any time. We're just gonna get right into this. I'm gonna go grab a giant trash bag from downstairs because honestly, most of these drawers are just full of junk that is useless, and I'm not going to be a hoarder in my new room. It's gonna be clean and organized. So here we go.
Now I know there's hope for me. I know there's hope for me. I know there's hope for me. In the madness, wherever I may be, love is something you two make me believe. Basement in Brooklyn, the first day I met her, I could see it in your face. She was all that you need. I knew from the moment she was begging you to just sing. She'd be my sister and she would be your everything. I looked up to...
Okay, there's stuff everywhere, but drawer 1 is complete. Oh my gosh, it looks so much better. Making progress. What I'm doing is I'm actually taking the Dyson. There's literally stuff everywhere, but I am taking the Dyson, pretty nasty in there, and I was vacuuming out these drawers, which made it so much easier and just sucked up all the trash. All right, drawer 2 did not take me very long to organize at all. I just took everything out and put it back in, and I left a little space here so I can lay my vlog camera sideways and it will fit perfectly in there. I have this box with the old vlog camera in it. If you know, you know. The cracked screen, my DSLR, extra lens. This is just random charging stuff, and then manuals in case I ever wanted to sell my cameras. That is that. Okay, this drawer is probably the most disgusting and full of stuff that just needs to go. Here's another lens box. This is just random stuff from my desk. These are organizers from my desk that I just threw into here whenever the desk was being sold, because my dad's like, hey, put your desk out here at the garage sale. So I was like, oh shoot, and I was just taking stuff out and throwing it in these drawers. So I have these random boxes that I'm gonna clean out and use in the bathroom. Oh, also this thing I should not get rid of. A jump rope. Do not ask me why that's in there. But I have some personal stuff that has like family information, like my family tree from middle school that I painted, and then the sports awards. So I'm not gonna do a time lapse for this one. I'm just gonna snap and it will all be organized. I'll show you guys what I did, because this is just scary. It is done. Hallelujah. Okay, brace yourselves for like the nastiest part of this video. My bathroom. This is truly embarrassing, to be honest. First, we'll start here. So like you guys know, I am in the process of moving. So every time we have a house showing, I basically scramble like a freak and throw all the stuff on this counter, under my sink, or in one of these drawers here. So it'll just be hidden away and everything will look all nice and clean. Anyway, obviously that has caused some problems. As you can tell here, all of my stuff is, oh ho ho, that drawer is tragic. And the only drawer that's organized, or kind of, okay, not organized whatsoever. I was gonna say that's organized because that's just stuff I don't use, but yeah, not organized. And then just get ready. I am like thoroughly mortified by this. Wow. I don't even know how I got this to be like this, but it literally gives me anxiety to look at. So we gotta make a change, and it has to happen now. Oh Lord, this is truly disgusting. Okay, it is time. I'm gonna start with these 3 drawers. I have the trash can still with me, or not the trash can, the trash bag, and I've already gotten rid of a lot of stuff. So we'll see what we add to the collection.
When I saw you, didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you asked where to write your name on my wall. Wish I met you at 16. Wish I could have taken you to prom. Better late than never. I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never. Better late than never. Good days and bad days, I know I can call you.
Okay, you guys, the organization is finally done. I'm so happy. Everything looks so much better than it did before. It was just nasty. So I'll show you guys all the bathroom stuff, but first look at all of this junk I'm getting rid of. There's so much stuff in here. And this is just random stuff that came from my drawers, not like extra clothes or anything like that. Pretty shocking. Anyway, first we have this drawer. Literally looks 10 times better. I have all of my hair stuff in here. The Sun Bum spray that I'm literally obsessed with. Dry shampoo. Retainer cases like stuffed right into there. And then in these 2 little cases I have just products I use on the daily. Deodorant, lotion, some skincare stuff is down here. Moisturizers, serums, face mask, perfume, toothbrush, lip scrub, all that good stuff. And then in here I have even more skincare stuff. This is just sunscreen, a day cream, these face masks that my dad got when he was in Japan. This is not focusing. There we go. I have this lemon face mask. Anyway, I'm going into way too much detail doing a what's in my bathroom. But then I also have my micellar water. Anyway, this is all things hair. I have my multitude of hairbrushes that I have been hoarding the past couple of years. And then all of these hair tools that, once again, I definitely don't need, but I share them with Allie, so they are justified. And then a bunch of hair bows. I actually got rid of a lot of them. I don't have a weird attachment to my cheer bows. For some reason, I feel the need to save all of them. It's a little ridiculous, but we're just working with it. And then down here is kind of like random utility stuff. This stuff I just threw in here whenever there was a showing. This slush bag has some random products in it. Light bulbs. This can go. I don't know why I didn't get rid of that. And then just an extra bath mat down here. Oh, excuse me. What in the world? Why do we have old phones in here? I have no idea. It's not the time to wonder that. Okay, lastly, the biggest transformation of them all. We'll do a side by side here. I am so shocked. A lot of my towels are in the wash right now, so there's only 2 here, but normally I would have more towels stacked up there. Okay, this is kind of funny. This was actually my makeup organizer, and then I decided to keep my makeup in my medicine cabinet. I'll explain that in a second. But I just turned this into a house for all of my feminine hygiene products, and honestly, it works out so well. Like, saving space. Okay, tissues, these things that just hold makeup if I'm ever going places, and then this random jewelry holder. I keep my nicer jewelry in my room, but this is just kind of like old knick-knacky jewelry that I do not wear all the time. Close that up. And then lastly, we have the medicine cabinet. So I keep my everyday makeup in here. Makeup palette. This is a toner that I am obsessed with. The moisturizer I use every single day. And then up here is kind of just random stuff that I don't use all the time, but just needed an extra house for. So everything is all organized, and that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like cleaning, or never mind, you don't even get to decide. You're gonna be seeing a lot more unpacking, organizing, cleaning stuff whenever I move in. Sorry, I kind of tagged you there, but don't worry, you don't even have to thumbs up this video if you want to see more, because you will be seeing more. It's about to go down. Stay tuned for all of that. Subscribe if you don't want to miss out, and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Sharing a lot more of my daily life on there as of lately. We're getting close to 30,000 subscribers on here, which is mind-blowing to me. So thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I cannot wait for what's to come, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.